Hello guys, this is Jay Zimno, so welcome back to another channel. Today we are looking at prisons. Yes, prisons. Yeah, this is probably one of the places which you wouldn't want to go. So today we are looking at prisoners food all around the world, from Zimbabwe, Africa, Asia, Europe, you name it. Okay guys, so we're starting with Zimbabwe. They mainly serve sadza with beans or sadza with the cabbage. Inini mostly inongofungidzira kuti mameals avo ari angori decent. So I mean, who doesn't like beans? Beans is the best, but then they need to add some more stew in there. Saka overall I think Zimbabwe tomboisa pa let's put it on C. Let's put it at B tier. Yeah, don't know S tier. S tier, which means it's the best. Okay, so for South African prison food, I think it's their food is kind of worse than ours, because recently the prisoners were complaining about the meals, but then this is some of the food that I found. Just check. Ew! Oh my God! What is this? Is this even food? South African prisons must change their meals. This is disgusting. Okay, for South Africa, I'm sorry South Africa, but I'm gonna put you on. I mean, chikafu chao, it was amazing. Let's put it on A tier. Just joking, that was disgusting. D tier, unless you change your food. Okay, so we are moving from Africa to Asia. This is Pakistan. So guys, like and subscribe, because this is the only way you get to travel, because I bet you even have a passport, so you have to travel in my videos. Jokes, like and subscribe. Pakistan, they eat these curry things, these meals. For my personal thoughts on this food, I like spicy food, so Pakistan curry food, spicy things, that's the best thing. So let's put it on I don't think it is in South Africa. A tier. No. Let's put it on B tier. With Zimbabwean food. I think they go along though. I mean, Pakistan deserves like B tier. I mean, look at this, samosas and all that. Fun fact, the prisons are very, very crowded, overpopulated. I mean, they're very crowded. Guys, we are still in Asia. We've got China. You know what? China is very unique. One uniform among my prisoners. So the food is boiled egg, 2 pieces of bread, and that thing like a samosa. I mean, overall it's good, but I just feel like it doesn't satisfy my tummy. But the uniform though is China. Okay, so the meal doesn't satisfy my tummy. I mean, just a boiled egg, 2 pieces of bread, and it's samosa thing. It's not as bad as South Africa's though, so I'm gonna put it on C tier. But the final country, Tombo Basidu Asia, to America, United States of America. Yeah. Saka ukani mukana kuti vane chikafu chavo chakati nake kana maplates akazara hanzi panoti chiko chingwa tumabiscuits uto. Is this even prison food, guys? This is gourmet. It's like you are living in a restaurant. What is this? This is very okay. America. I feel like America is the best food out of the video. Toy sapachi manja. Obviously I'm gonna B tier or any. We can't compare that to S tier. I feel like you should put it on A tier. Was the S tier for soup? I feel like if one of my countries I need the best meals possible. Okay guys, so this is the final tier list. On A tier we've got America with its gourmet meals, Zimbabwe B tier, and Pakistan. Zimbabwe with Sadza and the cabbage, and the Sadza and the beans, which was very good. On C tier we've got China with a boiled egg, 2 bread, and some samosa looking thing. And then on D tier we've got a crushed kind of sadza. We call it sadza in Zimbabwe. Sadza, like a crush pane beans. That was disgusting, but still I could eat that. That's why I'm saying F tier. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. Like and subscribe if you want a part 2. Peace.